Compact House by Rahul Pudale, design in Belagavi, India. In the heart of the bustling old city, amidst the vibrant chaos of typical Indian streets, lies a plot measuring a mere 6 meters in width by 9 meters in depth. This small parcel of land, tucked away in the market area, presented a unique challenge and opportunity to weave a narrative of community living amidst the cacophony of urban life. The client, faced with the dilemma of moving away from the old city to escape the chaos, found themselves drawn to the idea of fostering community within this dense urban fabric. The challenge presented was formidable: to utilize a compact site effectively, maximize natural light, accommodate commercial spaces on the ground floor, and provide comfortable residences above. Furthermore, the site's constraints included shared walls on 3 sides with adjacent buildings, leaving only one direction for light to filter through, the east. The residential units were conceptualized as a series of interconnected spaces, carefully crafted to maximize interaction and connectivity. The section of the building was meticulously developed to create overlapping volumes, allowing for the creation of intimate yet open spaces that overlook the bustling streets below. One steps into the residence through a narrow and seemingly dark staircase. This unassuming entrance opens up into a breathtaking triple-height living room. Here, the eye is drawn upward, where the skylight floods the space with natural light, providing a sense of openness and airiness, in which all the bedroom windows converge. Adjacent to the living room lies the kitchen, separated by a fluted glass partition that allows light to filter through while maintaining a sense of privacy. The double-height, open-to-sky dining area, situated alongside the kitchen, serves as a beacon of light and warmth throughout the day. One of the most delightful aspects of the design is the element of surprise and discovery inherent in the staircase. As one ascends, they are treated to glimpses of the triple-height living and dining spaces, teasing the senses and inviting exploration. This playful interaction between different levels fosters a sense of connectivity and dynamism. The upper 2 floors of the residence are dedicated to the private spaces, accommodating the bedrooms and terraces. Envisioning the integration of wooden elements into the concrete structure, materialized in the form of wooden inserts seamlessly carved out to serve functional purposes. These inserts not only provide aesthetics but also double as essential components of the living space. From serving as wooden capsules for bedrooms to framing windows, from forming wardrobes to shaping staircases, each wooden element adds depth and character to the architectural composition. In conclusion, the architectural project on this small, challenging site in the heart of the old city is an example of what can be achieved through creative thinking and a deep understanding of the urban context. It is a celebration of community, interaction, and the transformative power of design in shaping the way we live and experience our cities.